And we are live. Welcome everybody. I'm the Barbarian trader, and today we'll talk about the today's pump that got everybody excited. We'll analyze Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Doge as well. Also, we'll do some sweet price prediction. Stay tuned. And we are back. And warm welcome to everybody. Hope you made some nice profits today. If not, stay tuned, as I will give you during this video a nice tip for better profits. Let's dive in. First, let's start with Bitcoin, and we'll analyze the other coins afterwards. So, if we look now at 3-hour chart, 3-hour Bitcoin chart, we had a nice swing failure pattern, and after that a fast dump. And the Bitcoin price found support in the middle of the ascending parallel channel. So let's see, we had the nice pump, and then we found we took the liquidity above, we found resistance on this diagonal, and then we had a nice dump to the middle of this ascending parallel channel. All right, so what we can expect next? If we look, okay, so where we are positioned now, we are above this middle of the ascending parallel channel. As long as we hold this as support, and especially this red horizontal support, we have a chance to break again this diagonal of resistance and test the top of this ascending parallel channel. So let's see. First, let's discuss about the bullish case. All right, so let me clean this. All right, what needs to happen for the bulls to continue up? First of all, they must hold this area of support. So 20,830, 20,742 must hold, and they must reclaim, okay, the previous local high, 21,087. More than that, they have to break this diagonal of resistance, 21,248. And even more than that, because again, we can have a swing failure pattern here, and we can see another dump. So because why I'm saying, even if the bulls will break 21,251, we have a lot of resistance above. So let's talk about it. First level of resistance, we have it on this horizontal 21,380, which I think it will give us a nice rejection, but it is possible to see a move up in the in this horizontal diagonal, on this diagonal resistance, top of the ascending parallel channel, 21,722. All right, and right here we have a double level of resistance. So we have diagonal resistance, we have horizontal resistance. Okay, so if you see a pump close to this area, okay, let me see this. Okay, guys, you are welcome to join the chat. All right, so by the way, if you have any questions, if you want me to analyze any coin right now, write in the chat. Okay, so those are the levels of resistance we have to look at. So what is possible? Considering how the 3-hour candle closed, okay, closed pretty bearish, all right, so it is possible this to be just a bounce up, and then just to have some choppiness in this area, and then to bleed down, all right. If the bulls will manage to reclaim this area, yes, we can expect a possible continuation pump up in this area of resistance. Let's say the price will continue to move up. What are the even stronger resistance? For stronger resistance, we can look at this red diagonal of resistance. Okay, let's say somewhere in 22,550 area, and then below 22,425, 22,207. All right. Okay, now let's say this area will hold as resistance. And okay, let's see how low we can go. All right, let me clean this. Okay, to be honest, I was expecting this diagonal, horizontal diagonal, to hold a support and to be tested actually. So what I was expecting here, just the dump to continue a little more and test this as support. The fact that they didn't test this as support, it is possible to come back, okay, after some choppiness and test this blue horizontal support together with the bottom of this rising parallel channel. So keep an eye on this, because now a lot of FOMO is kicking in, and today was announced the unemployment, and it was higher than expected, and the market pump. So usually this kind of a pump and then dump, you know, because once the unemployment rate was announced, probably, and the Bitcoin price was somewhere here, probably a lot of traders, they took short positions here. So now they are stuck in a short. Okay, so possible they move up, okay, liquidate everybody, hit all the stop losses for the short positions, and now they will just hold the price in this area, or maybe we can see some even higher level, okay, a pump in higher levels, just for the new FOMO to kick in, okay, and to trap new bulls, okay, bull traders this time, and then to slowly bleed down to the bottom of this rising parallel channel. All right, so what levels we can look before? Okay, let me clean this. All right, so before, keep an eye on this bottom of the parallel channel. If this one is lost, 20,750 area, okay, then expect lower targets. Okay, it is possible in time to bleed down and come and test this area of support, and possible lower. So I think, as I said in my last videos, because guys, if you watched my last video, I gave you exactly this area of resistance you should look at, and you could take a nice short here. All right, so if the bulls, the last stand for the bulls, it's right now, it's between 19,660 and let's say this bottom of this rising parallel channel. So 20,000, yeah, so 19,670 up to 20,000. If the bulls, they are losing this area of support, is goodbye, then we can expect this blue horizontal diagonal of support to be tested. This diagonal of support, it's a very old one, so probably if they will test this again, it might give us a nice bounce for a long position. Okay, if this one is lost again, 18,300, then we can expect June low to be taken, and 16,350, 17,000 area, okay, to be tested. So this area probably, I think this area, it will give us the best support. So if you have not bought in this area, okay guys, I don't think long term, if you want to invest in long term, and we'll talk immediately, like long, actually let's talk right now why I'm just trading Bitcoin, but I'm not buying or holding for the moment, okay? Because first, if the June low is not taken and those lower levels tested, I will not buy at this level. 20,000 is more like a psychological level, and yes, it can pump. So that's why I will only trade Bitcoin. I will not buy and hold. And if you want to do dollar cost average, okay, just do it, but leave some money also for lower levels. All right, let's have a fast look, okay, why I'm not buying Bitcoin here. So if we look at Bitcoin chart, what we talked about this rising wedge, I recommend you to see my previous videos. So this is monthly logarithmic chart, and we have this huge rising wedge, and as you can see, the momentum is lost because if you look to previous pumps, they are they give less and less profit. Okay, from this pump to this pump, from this pump to this pump, it's less and less and less profit. I can show you very fast. So from the pump from 2011, okay, to 2013, 13,240, so 13,200% profit. Okay, then from this bottom to the next high, 11,600 profit. Okay, and then from 2020, okay, COVID crash, until the new all-time high, they pumped only 2,000%. So as you can see, the momentum is gone. Okay, on the macro picture, there is nothing bullish here. More than that, as you can see, we have 50 moving average. Is the first time for a very long period of time when Bitcoin monthly is trading below 50 moving average. In the past, every time Bitcoin hit 50 moving average, it was a very nice bounce, and okay, here we buy, we hold, and we get rich. Not the case anymore. Okay, and guys, subscribe and hit the notification button. This weekend I will talk more about this and what we can expect, what levels, how low we can get, and why it can get lower. Okay, and watch this video and the next videos with an open mind, because now you will see some charts that is showing, okay, this is the bottom and this kind. Okay, it's temporary bottom. Okay, this it will go much lower, and I will explain you in this weekend videos, and I'll go more in depth. Okay, we'll look at, let me show you very fast. Okay, Apple, there you go, huge rising parallel channel. Okay, and they just pumped for the last 14 years. Okay, and this monthly candle is not looking good. All right, Amazon is dumping. Amazon just painted a kiss of death with 50 moving average. Okay, so they dump, test this as resistance, go lower. Okay, Amazon dump below June low. All right, then what we have, Apple not looking good. Facebook, yeah, you know the story. So Bitcoin is holding so good. I don't buy this rhetoric. Okay, that Bitcoin is holding while all the market is dumping. Bitcoin is just having a lot of price suppression now. Okay, because have a very little market cap. It's easy to be manipulated. It's easy to be held in place. There are no new money coming in the market. Not at this level. Not at this economical situation. Okay. All right, let's continue. So yes, this is my answer. I will not invest in Bitcoin long term, not in this level. I will talk this weekend in depth about what we can expect in 2023, where I'm buying and where I think they are the best levels to buy. Okay, let's continue. But before we continue, I don't know, let's have a look at Ethereum first. Okay, Ethereum, same story. Okay, previous local high. All right, there you go. Here, swing failure pattern, dump. Okay, so we look again at 3-hour chart. Now, what we had here, we had the previous local high on 1,663, and we had 200 daily moving average. So of course we're expecting a rejection here, and in our group we took some very nice short positions and we took some nice profits, and I will show you in a second. All right, so what we can see for the moment, the volume for, let's see, this candle it will close in 1 hour and 30 minutes. The volume is dropping. We'll see how it will close. Again, this candle, the previous candle closed also pretty bearish, but still much better than Bitcoin. We'll see how this 3-hour close, and we'll take it from there. Possible for them to see another retest of 200 daily moving average. It is possible, but now everybody saw this dump, and probably they are setting us short. Okay, so I will not go long here. Yes, it is possible to pump, and I'll show you some resistance levels where if you want to jump in a trade, of course, it's your choice, and where you can take profit. but I think a lot of traders will short this area, and I will explain why. First, we have 200 moving average, 200 daily moving average, and it was not tested for such a long time. Okay, I don't think it will be broken and hold. Even if they will break it and hold the support, I don't think it will last too long. All right, so probably the price will go below. Let me see what we have here. Yes, so we have this, of course, this resistance channel, and then we have this Fibonacci circle that is held for the moment as support, but once 1631 area is lost and this one is flipped in resistance, expect lower levels. Okay, let's see. I will tell you first how high it can go. Let me extend this. So we'll switch this to green. So here we have a support, okay, like local support. If we see a dump, probably this one will act as support. So as I see it, for the moment, yeah, it is possible to go and take the stop losses above this candle and above this new local high. So above 1676, maybe they will have another attempt of this diagonal of resistance. It is very possible. And if we see a crazy pump, I think this area, those level of resistance, will reject the price. So from, let's say, even 1700, guys, even from here, 1700 to 1700, again, it's more like a psychological level, and we have some history in the past. It was pretty disputed, as you can see, 1700. Here we had a top and then tried to find support, and on and on and on in the past. Again, support. So I think 1700 probably they will not get a bounce exactly from here, but probably it will be pretty disputed if it will go there. Maybe in the weekend on low volume, who knows? Okay, if they will not manage to go higher, you must keep an eye on this diagonal of support. Okay, 1596. If this one is lost, we can expect probably a stop loss hunt in this area. Okay, and something very important, keep in mind, we have a CME gap at 1300. I repeat myself in case that you saw my previous videos, but for the people who have not seen my previous video, yes, we have this CME gap. Yes, so let's see who's in the chat. Christian, hello Christian, Adriana, Fanspark, Fox Physique. Welcome, guys. All right. Yes, Facebook. Ouch. Yes, indeed. There's for a bounce for BIT as well. 2000. Yeah, exactly. Let's have a look. Very good point. So, of course, also 2017 all-time high. So Fox Physique had a very good point, and I miss it out. Yes, it belongs in this area of support. Yeah, I'm back on Bitcoin now, so area of support, probably again this one, 19,666, 20,000, and if they lose again 19,846, 2017 all-time high, and they flip it again in resistance, is goodbye. Goodbye, mini bull market. Goodbye, you know. Welcome back, bears. All right, Ethereum. Let's see. So, yeah, CME gap. Let me go back to the chart, and there you go. Okay, so 3 hours. Let's see how 1 hour looks like, because I bet there are a lot of traders who are trading Ethereum, and let's have a deeper look, okay, on Ethereum. Yeah, 1 hour feels okay. It will close in 8 minutes, feels pretty weak. Okay, the volume is maintaining, but probably there are a lot of sellers here. Okay, they jump here on this diagonal of support. Okay, they are taking profits here. They are offloading their bags. Also, we have a lot of Fomo big buyers here from the past, and probably they are offloading here on break even. yeah, we can see, as I said, a pump in this diagonal of resistance. We'll see above 1700 up to top of this rising wedge. The rising wedge played out very nicely. Okay, so the top of the rising wedge, probably, yeah, 18,000, something like that. And also here we have this previous high, so 1789. It is possible if we see a crazy pump. Even I don't think so. Not with 200 moving daily moving average here, and also just above, I think it's 1760 area, something like that, 200 EMA. So not with those two here. Okay, they have to do a dump first. Hey Misha, welcome Misha, welcome. Guys, if you want me to look at any coin, please leave a comment. All right, so 1 hour. 1 hour is weak action. We'll see. It's testing this Fibonacci channel as support. Okay, we'll come back and we'll keep an eye on this. Let's see also on, yeah, in case of a big dump, I think, yeah, 2018 all-time high, I still expect to be tested. They break it here, no test, and yeah, so all-time high, this Fibonacci circle and this diagonal of support. Okay, and I think long term it is possible to see this red, okay, this red diagonal, because guys, this red one, I think, let me check, let me double check for you. Okay, so this red one, yes. Okay, so sorry, oh, there you go. Okay, so let me clean this. As we can see, before this break, the price was trading in this descending parallel channel. Okay, they break this channel, didn't test the support. So if the Ethereum price will start to bleed down, probably they will test this top of the channel, okay, as support. Okay, let me clean the chart again. Let me zoom in. Let me go back to 1 hour. Let's see. 1 hour will close soon. Still, no money. They are coming here. They are testing this Fibonacci channel. We'll see. All right, let's move to Binance Coin. Binance Coin. In my last video, I think it was, let's see, 2 days ago. Yes, when Jerome Powell announced the new rates. So I was talking about this ascending triangle. Okay, so so we have here a bullish pattern, and what I said, you know, personally, I didn't open any long. Why? Because, okay, they break this triangle. Okay, so as you can see, we have the tops here, the bottoms, yeah, obvious. Okay, this black one. They break this above, but they have not tested this as support. So what I would like to see, and I will repeat myself, I would like to see a retest of the top of the ascending triangle, break this local high, and only then you can fire a long position. So if we measure, let's see, if we measure to see what target we can have, all right, something like that, yeah, probably. Okay, and it's coming somewhere close to this red diagonal of resistance. But for the moment we got stuck. Why we got stuck? Let me show you. We have, if we take, let me clean this again. Let's see, when sell long from holds, meaning just been accumulation over last 2 months. Okay, so BNB, some my long-term holds, if I could look at them. Okay, Algo, BNB, yeah, BNB link. Okay, there are too many coins, Fox Physic, but tell me one coin. Tell me one coin that you want to look at. I'm looking right now at BNB. Tell me one more coin that you want me to look at. All right, so Binance Coin, until the this triangle is not confirmed, I will not fire long. So where this one stopped, if we take a Fibonacci channel from this top to this bottom, okay, stop exactly in the golden pocket, 0.618, 0.65 area. All right, so I think we can see a rejection from this area, maybe a correction, retest, because as you can see we have also this ascending parallel channel. And guys, let me tell you something, if BNB is falling down back to back below this middle of the parallel channel, we can expect a retest of this lower area. All right, yes, so what I'm expecting, okay, let me clean this again. So what we should keep an eye on, as long as this area is holding a support, okay, and we see a retest of this area and then a move up, taking the previous local high, yes, here you can, and again, it's not a financial advice, probably it's a good idea to fire a long position and put the stop loss just here below, and then take some profits on the upper part of this parallel channel. Okay, all right, let's see. Yeah, if this one is lost, then we can I think, yeah, you can do some local diagonal support. Let's see, possible here. So you can look for, there you go, yeah, exactly, something like that. Okay, yeah, this previous disputed area, 290 or something like that, but probably it will just do some dead cat bounce here, and then probably they will test this. Okay, let's see, let's go with chill Z. Okay, I will do it in a second. Okay, for Fox Physique, I'll do it in a second. Just have a fast look also on Doge. So yeah, BNB, one more thing, we are looking at 12-hour chart, and let me show you something on 12-hour chart. So here we have the RSI, we have, let me disable the magnet, and there you go. So we have this top, and we have a bearish divergence, okay, with RSI. Keep this in mind. Okay, the volume, yeah, it's looks like we have a descending volume, bearish divergence. So I will not go in any long position here. Probably if you want to short this one, okay, you can manage your risk, of course, and you can jump in. All right, let's have a fast look also on Doge. All right, Doge, the famous Dogecoin. Okay, that everybody want to get rich from it, but I think only somebody who tweet nicely get rich from it. All right, so what we have here, we are talking on my previous video, guys. I told you once, and watch my videos before. Dogecoin, it was, let me show you here. It was here, okay, and I said like that. Okay, guys, they break this rising wedge. In the moment they take this local low, you can fire a short position and then take some nice profits on the way down. Let's see how it plays out. All right, let's replay. There you go. So what happened? Okay, choppiness. They took out this this previous low. They made the retest here of the bottom of the rising wedge, and then they bleed down. So if you will stay in the short position, you would made 9%. So with some leverage, 5x or 100x, 50% or 100%. Okay, right now still the price, it's under this red horizontal resistance. So the first break of this rising wedge, so 0.127. Until this one is not reclaimed, I think Doge can bleed down. Yeah, probably it will not be. It will be probably just sideways. Okay, many they will hope it will come back here because they FOMO in this pump as usual. and we short this in our group. By the way, let me show you some, because I said in the beginning that I will give you a tip if you are not profitable, how you can be profitable. Okay, so let's see what we have done in our VIP trading group. Okay, so Doge pumped to 0.158. Let's see. Oh, we short Doge 0.1551. Okay, 126%, and only with 5x. I don't show you guys those kind of trades like with 50x or 100x, and look, we made 100x. Those are dumb, risky, and most 99% of the time you'll get liquidated. Okay, so even if you are an expert trader, it's still hard to handle. You have to stay in the front of the computer. You have to follow so many charts, you know, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and other coins, and on and on and on. Okay, so in our VIP trading group, we took this sweet Doge short 126%, and then band we just shorted today 40. So 1 day trade 48%, 48.4%, again 5x safe trade. Shout out to Big Pike from our group, 24% on PHEMEX. We jumped, okay, on the pump up. We took the short. I took also, but with 5x, he took 10x. And guys, you are welcome to join our VIP trading group. You have the link in the description below. Also, if you don't want to join, you can support the channel by paying like $5 per month. It's like a nice beer. But joining our VIP trading group will give you access to more detailed charts, daily analysis, signals, where we buy, where we sell, and all kind of sweet stuff like that. All right, let's go back. Let's see. Yes, yes, Fox Physic. Yeah, I know you took this short as well. Sweet trade, mate. All right, so let's see chills. Okay. Let's see chills. I think I have it somewhere here. Let's see if I find it. CHZ. There you go. Okay. Oh, oh. Let's see volume. Time to short. So, okay. Let's see what we have here. Let me switch to first. Let's see 4 hours, how it's looking. Okay, so on 4 hours, yeah, the volume is going. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see. So 4 hour first, guys. If you're a beginner, okay, I'm preparing right now a very nice tutorial. Probably, I hope it will be ready in about 2-3 weeks, about how to trade, about rules of trading, how to do a chart from zero, how to interpret a chart, and on and on and on. Tips and tricks for the trades, because guys, those kind of stuff you can find on Google, but nobody's explain you and give you the tips and when to use this tool and from where to use it, because yeah, you will see. So what we have, so let's put a Fibonacci for the moment. We are getting close of 0.786, so probably, and again, this is just my personal view, it's not a financial advice. We have all those stops here, and let's put a horizontal channel. Okay, there you go. So we'll have here a strong resistance. So if you want to fire a short, probably you should ladder some asks up, okay, in this channel, and then take the profit on the way. Because all right, let's switch to, let's see, 8 hours if we have more. Okay, yeah, the volume is dropping. Sorry, the volume is dropping, and as you can see now, practically also the momentum is gone, because you see those wicks down. Practically they're here, bears, they are stepping in. So it's yeah, I will start to sell here. If you bought chills, yeah, this is the name, chills, right? If you bought on the lower levels, probably it's a good idea to sell it. And let's see on shorter time frames. Let's switch to 1 hour. Probably, as if I saw correctly, we have a rising wedge. So yes, there you go. Yeah, they try to break it, fake break above. Yes, fake break above, take the liquidity and dump. Now the volume is, it's abysmal. There you go. No volume. So yeah, okay, it happened sometime. There you go, no volume. So, and then if we take the bottom, yeah, normally you should follow the wicks. Yeah, we have like a parallel channel, and now they pump just to show me wrong. Nah. I don't think it will pump. No, it's just they are just bots because the volume is not there. Probably it's just stop losses. Okay, from those, if who watch 15 minutes, probably okay, they saw this week, they took the short here and put stop losses here. Probably it's just a stop loss hunt. Okay, yeah, probably I will watch this. Let me clean this. I think we can do like this. Okay, there you go. We have this parallel channel. All right, there you go. Okay, yes, and probably we'll see some choppiness here, and it is possible to see maybe 0.786 tested. All right, so keep an eye on this level. There you go. Okay, probably this one, it will give a stronger rejection, but as you can see, now there are a lot of bots here. Probably they are not a lot of traders. They are just bots who are hunting for liquidity. So personally, let's see how the daily looks like. 1 day. Yes, so we have like this. Yeah, I will personally, probably I will short here. So we had, okay, B, and then there you go. And now probably E could be here or just a little up, but anyway, as you can see, they stopped exactly. Okay, let me see. Yeah, they stopped exactly on this where those candles closed and open. So yeah, as expected. There you go, perfectly by the pip. So yeah, you can fire a short here and just add higher. Okay, don't jump in one place and tight stop loss. Most of the time you'll be stopped. Okay, let's see. Recommend joining. It's so nice. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, guys, you are very welcome. You are very welcome to join. I think it's not a huge group. We don't have hundreds of members, and we are not spamming trades hoping that we'll have a nice trade. But I think we have a rate of higher than 95% success rate. So, all right. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Fox Physique. Something else regarding chills? Write me now fast if you want me to test something else. But probably, let's see. Yeah, probably I will jump in a short and I will start. Yeah, they will do some hunt loss. I think probably they will pump here and then they will come and retest this one, this area, this diagonal of support, middle of the channel, middle of the parallel channel. All right, so okay, guys. In conclusion, let's see. Bitcoin, 3 hours. Okay, it's still pumping. 49 minutes left. Ethereum, okay, closed pretty bullish. This 3 hour candle, okay, closed. Okay, there is still hope. I still hope they will pump higher, so we can add to our short in our group. Guys, if you have money, please pump Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, please pump it. We can take your money, don't worry. All right. Yeah, Ethereum, probably it will start to show sign of weakness. It is possible, is very possible. Markets will close soon. Let's see how S&P 500 is looking. Yeah, pump, dump. We'll see. We'll see how it will behave. Dow Jones closed. Again, Dow Jones closed below 200 moving average daily. and below this key diagonal of resistance, as you can see, coming from here. Not very good. So another week. Let's see on weekly. So this is daily, the S&P 500, because S&P 500 is so important for the crypto guys, for Bitcoin, Ethereum. You already know that. I will not bore you with that. So for the moment, S&P 500 daily, might close with some hope for next week. This is 34 moving average. So found support on 34 moving average daily. Might close above, okay, the previous high. We'll see, but still under key resistance levels, still under this diagonal of resistance, okay, still under 0.618 Fibonacci reversed. Okay, if we reverse this very fast, there you go. Now, so until this one is not taken, still under 0.5, who's exactly on this diagonal of resistance. They already made lower lows, so it is possible. Okay, employment rate is higher. It is possible, who knows, just choppiness, and maybe they will bleed down. Dow Jones below this channel of resistance. Nasdaq, okay, we'll see. Could be just a top here. Let's see. Apple is dumping. Amazon is dumping. Tesla is dumping. PayPal, from my point of view, PayPal days are numbered. I mean, long term, probably if they will not adapt and they will not change many things, probably they will be some other companies, they will take their market. Okay, in conclusion, Bitcoin, let's keep an eye on 20,750, 20,835 area of support. Losing that, we can look for 20,466, but superficial support, more like a disputed area. I will look for this diagonal, guys. If you want to fire a long position, again, not financial advice, and I strongly recommend you join our VIP trading group. There we talk more in details. We analyze different time frames, okay, charts from different perspectives. But I think this area could give a decent bounce, okay, at least on the first touch, okay. So probably here you can fire along. All right, as long as this area is holding a support, bulls can move up, but I don't know. If the price is going back here, 2017 all-time high, it's not very good for the Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin have some big gaps below. Then Ethereum, let me switch back to Ethereum. Let's see, 1 hour candle, we'll see how this one will close. But again, above we have 200 daily moving average, 200 EMA, also daily. And I think, guys, remember what I'm telling you. They broke this, I think, let me see which one is coming from. Yeah, this one. Okay. This blue, which is now diagonal support, okay, is coming from the all-time high. And this is the first test, okay. They test this as resistance, they break it, and I think they will come back. They will bleed down. Okay, I don't see Ethereum going higher. And I forgot to show you something else. This is Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Okay, so this is the parity. Let's see. Okay, this is the parity. Okay, Ethereum Bitcoin. As you can see, where found resistance exactly at the middle of this big rising wedge. So we have the tops here. Whatever you want to look at, you have the rising wedge. So you have the bottoms here, we have the bottoms here, and then you have this middle of the rising wedge. So there you go, perfect rejection here. So if you are trading Ethereum BTC, if you are bearish, probably you have better chances here, because it is just possible to have, maybe they will test this again, another rejection, double top, and move lower to test this, lose this, and go. Let me show you something. On the bigger picture, we have another rising wedge. So yeah, be very careful, okay? Ethereum, I think it's overhyped, overpriced. It's pumped more by emotions, influencers, like Cardano. You know the story, okay? Cardano, it was the next Ethereum, much better, and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and Cardano now is worthless, and I strongly recommend you to watch my Cardano video, and you will see why Cardano will never recover long term. Okay, guys, this is it for today. Again, big shout out to everybody who was today in the chat. Thank you for watching, and again, subscribe, hit the notification button, and like, and join our VIP group. Okay, guys, until next time, trade safe. Barbarian out.